Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I'm just here reading with my tablet and I have no fear because I have my long 6-foot Durcord. I love how these cords come in different colors and different sizes. So if you need just a little short 1.5 feet or a 3 foot or a 6 foot, you got different sizes. It's nice because some cords you don't want really long. Others, maybe you just need a little bit of more room while they're charging so that way you can look at your device. Or if you'd like to read and not have to worry about them being connected, this is the perfect way to do it. And I was also really impressed with the quality of the product. The cord itself was flexible, but it was firm. And when I went to go plug it in, it didn't give me any kind of error message, which made me happy. So if you've been looking for some good quality charging cords, I highly recommend these. I like all the different colors, all the different sizes, and everyone in the family can have one. You don't have to be fighting over it. And that is just my point of view.